Good morning. Mama said I could. I asked her and she said it was all right. We're going to make what I call biscuit bombs. They're going to explode in your mouth. Guarantee you. So we're going to make stuffed biscuits this morning. Let me show you how we do it. I use the, what is it, Stagger or Swagger sausage. We always get like little sausage patties. So I got 6 of those little sausage patties. And I'm going to put them on medium to high heat. Let them cook. So what you'll need is a can of whatever your favorite biscuit is. It doesn't even matter if it's the flaky kind, because that will work too, like the layers where you can pull them apart. Doesn't matter. I'm using the butter taste because I'm going to put these in a baking dish with some more butter, because I really want those biscuits to be really full of flavor, and they're just going to be literally the bomb. I made them for work one time, and a lady at work yesterday I showed her some of my videos, and she's like, "Oh, you should make your biscuit bomb video, or your biscuit bombs for your video." And I was like, "Oh yeah, I hadn't even thought about that." She's like, "Cause they're always really good." She's like, "You haven't made them for work lately." I was like, "I have not. I haven't really made anything for work lately. I made cake pops the other day, but each their own." So I figured, wake up today, we'll make breakfast together and enjoy. You can have coffee if you want. Drinking some nice chai with honey. Susan's throat. So you can use a pound of sausage. A pound of sausage will work. I found simply for what works best for me is 6 of those round sausages. Um, it typically works phenomenal for my dish. Um, every time I've done it. So we got a sausage browning. We're gonna take this thing. I don't know what it's called, but you can mash stuff up with it. I'm assuming a splicer because I don't know. It works pretty good though. And I like to do each individual one a few times until I kind of get like the ground sausage consistency. Use all sorts of types of sausage for this. Smoked sausage is good. I really enjoy using the smoked sausage mixed in with the ground sausage. This gives it an extra perfect. So now what do? We have our sausage cooked. We pull out our eggs. The little gold balls. So we're going to do 1 egg. 2 egg. 3, 4, 5. We're going to do 6. So I'm not sure the price of eggs right now, but. So we have our 6 eggs cracked. You can put your seasoning, salt and pepper on if you want, now or later, don't matter. I gave in. I've been shredding my own cheese for like the last year. But I did indeed buy bag cheese. For some reason, I think they caught on to a lot of people shredding their own cheese because they've gone up in price on the regular cheese or the block cheese compared to the bag cheese. The bag cheese was actually cheaper, which was, I know. It tastes so much better when you shred it yourself. I agree. And I still shred my cheese, but just not today. Kobe Jack, doing about 2 handfuls. And then I got my pepper jack, because I love pepper jack. And then we're going to just mix everything together. I took it off the heat because I didn't want my eggs to cook just yet. I wanted to get everything nice and mixed up. Break those eggs apart. Make sure everything in your pan feels love, okay? The cheese, the sausage, make sure they're working on their relationship and they're binding. Then you can add in mayonnaise here if you want. Mayonnaise. Yeah, mayonnaise. Jerry says mayonnaise. I say, mayonnaise. It's like tomato. I'm going to add in a little bit of whole milk. Just a bit. Maybe about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to be honest with y'all. Whenever I say measurements, unless they're precise measurements and I write them up there, I don't know what I'm talking about. I go with what I feel. Because I'm just trying to figure it out myself. And I've made this plenty of times. Well, the eggs. We use a spatula because it's going to get that work in. That's our egg mixture. It's looking good, it's smelling good, we're being good. We've gotten to that part. So I've always do the 1/3 cup. That's just how I've been doing this for as long as I've been making this recipe. Canned biscuits, they're simple. There's a thing that says start here. You pull. Sadly, nothing happened. So we slap it. So here's the trick. You pull out your biscuit, right? You put it on your cutting board. You can smack it, backhand it, or use this. Spray it. I found it best to spray. Sometimes you don't have to. Most of the time you do. Turn my cutting board. And we're just going to kind of turn it into like a little flat pancake, isn't it? That's what we're aiming for right there. Nice and flat. Imagine that. And then we're just going to take our 1/3 mix with our egg mix. I'm going to scoop it in there. About that. In there. And then I'm going to slap it right in the middle. Kind of flatten it out a little bit. And then you have your option, which you need to do, and add some more cheese, okay? More cheese. Cheese never goes wrong. Now, here's the important folding technique. We're going to grab a corner and we're going to go right to the middle, okay? And we're going to grab the other corner and go to the middle. Grab another corner, go to the middle. Grab another corner, go to the middle, and then go to the middle. And with that, the 2000 and whatever years complete with our biscuits. Last biscuit here, y'all. Now, when I first started this, I did preheat my oven to 350 degrees to get ready for my biscuits. So here we go with our finer mixture. All right, so what I'm going to simply do is this. We're going to add some pepper onto our biscuits. Like I said, you can add some cheese up there. I'm going to add some cheese to the other side. And I'm just going to kind of like flatten these down a little bit. Make sure they get nice and beautiful. So I'm going to add some cheese to this other side. Been baking quite nicely. My oven's at 350 and it's ready. Our biscuits are looking fantastic. Oh, this smells so good too. Shee-wee. Yes, sir. Now, I will say I did learn. So for first time parents, AKA, Dad, if you're trying this, I'm warning you now. This is piping hot. Do not put it in the sink and run cold water over it. I have made this mistake for you, so you are educated now. Bringing glass that's piping hot and adding ice cold water to it, it causes that to shatter. And then you're picking glass out your sink the rest of the day. I've done this so you don't have to. So our biscuits, look at those beautiful biscuits. Oh, let's cut into one. Ready? Oh my goodness. Look at that. These are called biscuit bombs, y'all. As you see, beautiful. Every time. Like and subscribe my video. Let me know if you try this recipe or what you put in it that might be different, so I can give it a try, see what it tastes like. Thank you. Keep it simple. Keep parenting. Keep doing you. Okay? That's all we can do. Simply parent, simply live, and just keep living. Other than that, I love y'all. Feed your kids breakfast because they're hungry. Before I forget, my independent taste study researchers are here. How is it? Is it good?
Yeah.
You like that? Mm-hmm. Take a bite. What do you think?
It's good. Not